Hello everyone, in the last two videos I have shown how to purchase a premium domain and premium hosting from Ofaex. So both the domain and hosting are active now, but the domain is not connected to the hosting yet. So we will have to connect the domain, and in this tutorial I will show you the way of connecting the domain with the hosting. So let's start. First of all, I will log into my Ofaex account. If I go to office.com and then click on clients and then go to login. Okay, so here we have to log in with our email address and password. Okay, so now if I go to the domain option here, you can see the domain is active. So we will have to update the domain name server to point it to the hosting account. Okay, so let's first go open the domain, and at this moment I will have to collect the name server of the hosting. So I am going to my email address and I will open the new account information mail here, and if I scroll down you can see here the name server 1 and name server 2. So I will have to copy it, dns1.server1.net, and go to the domain management page. Here if I click on name server option and click on use custom name servers here, so we can use custom name servers here and delete the previous name servers and paste the new one, like DNS1 and then DNS2, and make sure you don't input any space here, only the name servers, and then click on change name servers. Okay, as you can see the changes has been saved successfully. So it will take some time to update the DNS record. It takes up to 24 hours to 48 hours. Let me show you. It is called DNS propagation. What is DNS propagation? As you can see, it can take up to 72 hours to propagate worldwide. So you will have to wait some time. It does not take that much, but you will have to wait at least 30 to 60 minutes. Then visit the website and it should be active. Okay, so in the next video I will show how to install SSL certificate on the domain. So stay with me and thank you for watching this video.